For as long as humans have lifted their eyes to the sky, we have wondered who or what might be watching back. That curiosity, ancient and enduring, has shaped mythology, religion, science, and the restless ambition of a species always reaching beyond its own limits. Yet for all our technological progress, the most mysterious sightings in the sky remain unresolved, suspended between physics and perception, technology and imagination, measurement and belief. Over the last century, the study of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, has gradually shifted from folklore to radar returns, from legend to sensor-confirmed data. But a persistent puzzle remains, one that resists simple categorization. Why do UAPs appear most often in moments of heightened human presence? Why do witnesses describe coherent, repeatable effects on cognition, time perception, emotion, and even physiological states? Why do the most provocative cases seem impossible to replicate under strictly mechanical conditions, but emerge reliably when humans are the primary measuring instruments? This book begins at that boundary, the delicate threshold where consciousness meets the unknown. The following pages explore what I call cognitive signal theory, a speculative yet scientifically grounded model proposing that human consciousness is not merely a passive observer of UAP events, but an active participant in how they manifest, how they are perceived, and perhaps even how they interact with our environment. Here, Psionics is reframed not as mysticism but as a developing frontier of neuroscience and physics, the study of how neural oscillations, field dynamics, and information processing frameworks might interplay with external anomalies. This is not a claim of magic. It is a question of mechanism. Could the human brain, under rare conditions, act as a resonance sensor or modulator interacting with unknown aerial phenomena? Could synchronized neural states in groups produce measurable environmental effects? Are UAPs revealing themselves to us, or through us, or because of us? In these chapters, centuries of eyewitness reports are revisited through modern cognitive science. Radar-verified encounters are examined through computational modeling. Meditation-based sightings, group experiences, and anomalous sensory distortions are reinterpreted through the lens of systems neuroscience, predictive processing, and electromagnetic field theory. This book does not insist upon answers, but it does insist upon better questions. It offers scientific rigor without dismissing the data that defy our expectations. It considers the possibility that the bridge between mind and matter may be narrower than once assumed, and that understanding this bridge may be essential to understanding UAPs at all. If consciousness plays a role in what we perceive in the sky, then solving the UAP enigma requires studying not only the phenomena themselves, but the minds that witness them. This is a book about that intersection. Welcome to Psionic Contact, Cognitive Signal Theory and Anomalous Aerial Phenomena. A journey into physics and perception, brainwaves and belief, coherence and the cosmos. A journey into the frontier where the unknown may be not only out there but also within us.